Supta Vakrasana, or the lying down twisted pose. Lie down on the back with the hands stretched out sideways next to the head such that the body is in T position. Bend the knees to fold them and the feet and knees touching each other. Slowly drop your feet to the right side towards the floor and at the same time drop the head on the opposite side. Try to let go of the feet so that the lower knee touches the floor and the upper knee is touching the lower leg effortlessly. Initially, you may find that there is a gap between the knees. However, with regular practice, you will be able to push down the legs completely to the floor. Stay in this position, breathing normally for some time. Gently come back to center position. Now, alternate with the other side. That is, drop your legs towards the left side and your head in the opposite direction. Stay over there for some time and gently come up. There is also another variation to do this. Keep your feet slightly apart, that is approximately 1 to 1.5 feet distance from each other. Now do the same asana by first twisting your body towards the right and dropping your legs. In this, both the knees are touching the floor as shown over here. Then slowly come up and drop your knees to the other side with both the knees touching the floor. This is a little more difficult and could be done at a later stage. In the third variation, you have a small distance between the feet. However, the knees are touching each other. Just like before, slowly drop your legs to the right side. Now, after you have dropped your legs, cross over the legs and apply pressure to push them down on the floor. You can do this initially to help you become more flexible. However, please ensure that you are not pushing too much. It is just a gentle pressure to try and open out your hips. Keep there for some time, slowly come up and repeat on the other side. This asana helps alleviate backaches, the spine gets elasticity, and the lateral side fat gets reduced. The nervous system improves and the spleen and intestines get toned. Supta Vakrasana is very good to relax or remove fatigue after a long day's effort or after a lot of physical work and you're feeling very tired. There are no specific reasons why you should not do this asana unless you have some specific problem.